Ito gate ko, sana hindi magpalit. Wala pang tao. Ito.
Touch me like you never touched somebody before.
For emergency? The danger level's gone. Have you seen anything similar to this implosion? So they look hurt.
Gentlemen, boys and girls, you have just witnessed the only act of its kind today. The only breakaway sway pole presented right here at the North Florida Fair by the daring Cindo.
She's going up. And it's a windy night too.
Some of you may recognize this stunt as it was recently featured on America's Got Talent Extreme Edition, where it did receive a Golden Buzzer and has been voted one of the 7 most extreme stunts in the world today. Watch now as Cindel takes her sway pole to the breaking point. The aerial breakaway sway pole. Of death and have your instant photograph taken with our motorcycle daredevil. An opportunity of a lifetime, the only time and the only place you are allowed access inside this steel cage right here at the North Florida Fair. An opportunity of a lifetime after the performance. Watch now.
Ito yung mga nag-ooperate ng perya o naka-RV sila lahat. May halaman pa, oh. Nakahilera sila rin. Ayos na, ligpit na yung isa.